Hey guys, Jason Hill here, and I'm in California Adventure. And this season they're having this specialty drink called a Michelada. And basically it's a Pacifico beer with a spiced tomato base. So I'm gonna get one and let's see what it's all about. I gotta get out my... So check it out, I got the Disneyland Michelada Recipe. The worker was kind enough to tell me exactly what goes into it. Not only is it the Pacifico beer with the V8 juice, it also has a little bit of Bloody Mary mix, Worcestershire sauce, and on the rim, they drench that in tahini. Put a couple of limes in there, got yourself a Disneyland Michelada. Woo! Definitely different, refreshing. So let's get back to the kitchen, we'll make these up. Okay, we made it back home, we picked up the ingredients. It's time to make this wonderful Disneyland Michelada recipe. For each one, I found that you're gonna need a couple of limes. One you're gonna need for full juicing, so we're just gonna cut one in half. The other we'll make into wedges for garnish and to salt the rim of your glass. And there we go. All right, we have our 16-ounce plastic cup like they give you at Disneyland. I'm taking one of my lime wedges and I'm gonna go along the rim of the glass, or the cup. Get a lot of juice on there, because now we're gonna use that to salt the rim with tahini. Okay, I have a paper plate where I've sprinkled the tahini. And what tahini is, it's a blend of chili peppers, dried chili peppers, sea salt, dehydrated lime juice, and it's very popular here in California. If you can't find it at your local market, you'd definitely be able to find this online. So now I'm just going to take our plastic cup, try and dredge and get as much tahini on the rim of this cup as possible. Just kind of lightly go around. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, now that we've salted or seasoned the rim of the cup, I like to squeeze in juice of one full lime. Next we add 2 shots of spicy V8. This is what they said at California Adventure. You don't have to use spicy if you don't like spicy. Then your favorite Bloody Mary mix, same thing, 2 shots. That in there. And then a teaspoon of Worcestershire, which is about 10 little shakes. Give that a little stir, a little whisk. Okay, let's add our beer. Okay, like I said earlier, Disneyland uses Pacifico as their Mexican beer for this Disneyland Michelada recipe. You can use your favorite Mexican beer if you like, but I'm going to stick with Pacifico. Pop that. Here we go. Get that beer in there. I like to give it a little stir again. Grab my little whisk. And we drop in a few lime wedges for garnish. A little pinch, a little drop. Well, if you want to try something different with your Mexican beer and you're looking for a nice, tangy, savory, refreshing summer drink, give this Disneyland Michelada recipe a try. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Cheers. That is really good.